Namaskar. On some days, you have plenty of time to plan and prepare your meals. And on some other days, you are too pressed of time to cook a full nutritious lunch or dinner. But today I am going to give you a recipe which is not only easy to make but also highly nutritious. It is one pot meal and you can also call it as mixed millet khichdi. This one recipe can satisfy your energy requirement for the day. It can make sure that you get all the required nutritions for the day. It is very easy to make and very easy to digest. So, let's see this recipe. You will need 1 cup mixed millets. You can use the combination of foxtail millet called as kangani, barnyard millet sanwa, and little millet kutki. Half cup yellow split moong dal, 2 medium-sized carrot diced, 1 cup mixed vegetables such as peas, beans and other seasonal vegetables, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon full of ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon ginger grated, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnishing if you like. Let's see how to make this dish. First, wash the mixed millet and yellow split moong dal. All this together under running water. Then heat ghee or oil in a large pot and that too over a medium flame. Add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Add grated ginger and saute it for a minute. Then add vegetables and washed millets along with yellow split moong dal. Stir well to coat the millets and dal with the aromatic mixture. Now let's add turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Add 4 cups of warm water and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the millets and lentils are very well cooked. And this khichdi has a porridge-like consistency. Once cooked, fluff the khichdi with a fork. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves if you like. Serve this khichdi hot with yogurt or a slice of lemon. This mild and comforting millet khichdi is not only nutritious but also easy to digest. You can adjust the water quantity and also the cooking time based on the millet varieties you choose. Though millets are tiny grains, they contain fiber, protein and antioxidant. Including them in your diet can help regulate your blood sugar level and improve digestion and even reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Lentils like moong dal also helps in the same way. The colorful vegetables in the khichdi not only enhance the flavor but also makes it nutritious. Carrot, for example, are rich in beta carotene, which gives vitamin A to your body. It promotes good vision and it promotes immune function. The aromatic spices used here are very good for your digestion. Whenever you have less time to cook, try this millet khichdi, which also requires very little effort and it's good to have after a long day of work. Feel free if you are inspired to make your own changes. Cooking for yourself is satisfying in so many ways. Make this millet khichdi and find out for yourself. Namaskar.